This is Cowes, Phillip Island, where we're at one of Lifestyle Community's newest developments. We've been just 350 metres from the beach. This really is a beautiful location.
We've got approximately 3 million litres of detention and reuse on this site, as well as the treatment on the back end doing the final little bit of polishing. We're going to have Vortceptor, which is our GPT, running into our AtlanChamber, which is a replacement for a retarding basin, which runs into our FlowFilter, which is a replacement for the rain garden.
So we're then got to transition this runoff and manage the flow before discharging into the council drainage network. Typically this would be done through the likes of a wetland or a vegetated asset, but to the benefit of Lifestyle Community, we're able to deliver this in underground infrastructure.
You're not wasting the whole area, you still get to reuse it as parklands. It looks appealing. The process has been good, nice and simple.
Collaborating with lifestyle communities and taking an open-minded approach, we've been able to deliver a great outcome for developing community.